We are selling this property here in Vista Grande subdivision, and this is the main bedroom of the house. This is 49.8 million, 7-bedroom house, 4-story property with up to 6-car garage and with swimming pool, and it's very large garden that I will show you right now. So we are selling this for 49.8 million price net. Message me, my WhatsApp is 0935-738-5814, and my Viber is 0905-2828-738, and my email is markantonydavid697@gmail.com. Hopefully you will be the one to buy this property because it's really nice, quality finish with swimming pool and with large bedroom. Thank you.